With the shortages of flour at the moment, I thought it would be a great idea to make a chocolate cake, but a flourless chocolate cake. So you can still get your chocolate fix and make a really nice cake at the same time. What you're going to need for this recipe is 300 grams of dark chocolate, 225 grams of salted butter, 225 grams of sugar, 6 eggs separated, so the yolks, 6 yolks and 6 egg whites, and then also 175 ml of boiling water. We'll start off with putting the chocolate and the sugar all together in a mixer and giving that a good blend. So that's blended up quite nicely now. We add into that the butter. Butter going in there. 6 egg yolks going in there. And the 175 ml of boiling water. That's going in there as well. Lid back on. That's blended up really nicely. Nice mixture, all come together. Lovely. In there. And then in your other bowl you've got your egg whites. So this needs to be a nice, clean, grease-free bowl. And we just need to whisk these up to stiff peaks. Okay. In a nice big bowl, get that nice chocolate mixture, all that into there, get it all out of there. And then with those egg whites, spoonful at a time, fold that in to that mix. Fold it in nicely, making sure not to knock all that air out of there. That's where you're going to get a lightness of your cake from. Got the oven set 180 degrees. One greased cake tin ready to go. Should take about 45 to 50 minutes to bake once it's all ready to go. Last bit of egg white gone in there now. Very nice and light. Try to beat all that air out of there. Folding it in nicely. Almost looking like a chocolate mousse sort of consistency. Lovely. There, pour that. Straight in the oven. be ready in about 45 minutes. 45 minutes in the oven. Been in the fridge chilling out now for about an hour or so. Slice a nice piece off. Nice bit of creme fraiche and strawberries. Chocolate cake, no flour. Enjoy.